Alright, hi guys. I'm going to be sharing with you how to decorate on a budget. So everything I got was either from Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, or the thrift store. So let's just get into this video. So the first thing is these pot holders. These were $1 at Dollar General. I don't remember if I got these in a pack or if I bought them separately, but these are from Dollar General. I am unboxing and getting ready to decorate for Christmas. So I got this Believe in the Magic of Christmas sign from Dollar Tree. This little Christmas tree thingy from the Dollar Tree. This is my candy bucket, and I still have candy in there from last year. But this is from Dollar General, and this was $2. We have an ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna pull out all the ornaments. So some really good ornaments from Dollar Tree. This is my plate stand holder, and I use this for all the seasons, but I found this at my local thrift store. So this is perfect because I can easily just put the plates for each season on here, and it covers so you can see that. Then we have the pinch canister from Dollar General. This one was $3. Very good deal. This one is the dash, and it was $4. And this is the sprinkle, and the sprinkle was $5. So you can't beat that. That was a good deal. When I saw those, I was like, I gotta get them, and I'm glad I did because I went back to put there. This was last year. Then we have, which I need to wash these because I'm just, unboxing stuff. It's been sitting. So we have the Merry Christmas and the snowman kitchen towels, which I'm going to wash those. Get these put together. Get the Happy Holiday $1 sign. I like to put, for the different seasons, a sign on the refrigerator, because when my day loves come in, they like to see this kind of stuff, and I like to have it out so they can see it. So like that for $1. I don't want to try and put this. We got the Christmas tree skirt from, I think we got this from Family Dollar. No, Dollar Tree. There's so many dollar stores. Dollar General. We got this from Dollar General. This is the tree skirt. I think it was about $8 to $10. That. This is my plate that I'm going to be putting on my counter. And it says Merry Christmas. This was $2. Ready? The wreath holder for the front door. Dollar Tree. Great find, because the command things, they don't stay up there, and somebody's always ringing my doorbell and handing me my wreath when I open my door. So this wreath, it was from, you straighten it out, it was from the thrift store. It was a last minute find, and I'm so glad I found it, because was it last year, the year before last? I think it was the year before last. Because last year I had this. We went out and we found some decorations at the thrift store. My Christmas tree actually came from the thrift store. So this right here, I think this was like $4. So my wreath came from the thrift store, $4. This is all my ornaments from the Dollar Tree. Of course, some of them came from Dollar General too. I have my garland. It's from Dollar General. I think this was like $6 to $8. Okay. Then we have the little red truck candle. This was from Dollar General last year. It was $6. All the prices are still on this stuff. Take it off. Then we have another ornament. These came from the Dollar Tree. These are really cute. I have fan of Then we have our snowman. They came from the Dollar Tree. This is a little basket that I put in the front of the foyer when you come into the house. This was like, I think $4 from the thrift store. This is from the Goodwill. We have our lights. These were affordable. These were like $8, $6. I can't remember. They were very affordable. Then we have our poinsettias. Dollar General. Kind of see what I'm working with. Then the Merry Christmas kitchen rug. This was I don't remember, but I know it was not expensive because I didn't spend a lot of money. Then we have these pillows from Walmart. These were $4.96. And then we have the Dollar General pillows I showed on my Instagram. These are $10 a piece. So I got 2 of these and 2 of these. I didn't see any reason to just put other pillows in this video. So that is my decorating on a budget, affordable. And I hope this gave you some ideas. You can go to Dollar General, Goodwill, Walmart, and Family Dollar and find you some great deals to decorate your house. Before I go, I have the stockings that you can hang up. And also, I have some of these canisters. Last year I put them in this china cabinet, which I probably will put more in the china cabinet this year. There's a few more things that I don't have in this video, but this is just an idea of some things that you can get on a budget to save your money and also be festive. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!